I'm recording. You can talk.
All right, everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel with Kevin and Shane. We're looking at our beautiful red on red with a little white Chevy Impala 3 on the tree. This thing just shifts beautifully. Everything in this car is just about original as you would get it off the factory line. We still have our AM radio. Believe that when you see it. I'll go around this turn here. Brakes handle really fine. No bangs in any gear. Steering not pulling in any other direction but forward. Give you a little brake test.
Nice brake test. Yeah, she feels good.
Really good. All right, well, we're gonna get her turned around, get her on the lift. See you guys soon.